Welcome. Today we are covering Targeter Wings Junior School Assessment Grade 8 2024 Pre-Technical Studies. Welcome, and if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to this channel. We are starting with the first question. In this paper we have only structured questions that the format used for school-based assessment, and I'm going to start question 1. State 2 types of injuries caused by fire at a workplace. Types of injuries caused by fire at a workplace. The injuries that you can get: 1, we have burns. And then we have smoke choking. Those are the 2 that we can get. When we inhale smoke, we might be choked or poisoned. Smoke poisoning due to inhalation. We inhale. 2, study the picture below and explain one safety measure observed by the man on the right side of the picture. Safety measure observed by the man on the right side. We have this man on the right with an helmet. Safety measure observed by the man on the right hand side. You can see that person has got an helmet. So wearing a helmet, that is head protection. Wearing helmet. And that is hand protection. That is hand protection. With that, you get your 2 marks. First of all, stating that the person is wearing an helmet and is stating it is for hand protection, you get your 2 marks. Question 3. State a work environment where one needs to wear the safety gear shown below. We have headphones. Those are known as headphones. The work environment that requires such a gear is braces with round noise. Braces with round noise. With round noise, we need these safety gears for what purpose? To protect our ears. Examples of these braces, I can talk of examples. We have construction site. 4. Stage 3 online safety threat at a work environment. Online safety threat. We have phishing attacks. We have cyberbullying. We have hacking. Those are the 3 safety threat, online safety threat at workplace. Question 5. Identify the measuring tools shown below. We have 2 tools shown. One is known as tri-square, and then we have a tape measure. We have a tape measure. 6. Name the following types of lines. 3 marks. We have 3 lines here. A, we have zigzag, zigzag. Then we have another line here. It's a straight line, but diagonal line, diagonal. Then we have a spiral. We have a spiral. So that gives you the 3 marks. 7. State 4 examples of measuring and marking tools. Measuring and marking tools. It can be a measuring tool or a marking tools. Let's start with the obvious one, rule. We have a rule. We have tape measure. Tape measure. Calipers. Spirit level. Level. Those are the 4 examples of marking and measuring tools. Question 8. Identify 3 causes of data threats in a computer. In this case, we focus on causes of data threats. What could cause data threats? 1 is human error. Human error. 2, can talk of virus attacks. Virus attacks. Virus can cause a cause. What causes this now virus attack? We have lack of Windows Defender or antivirus. Lack of antivirus. If you don't install antivirus, that can be a cause of data threat. And then we have phishing. Phishing or malware. Phishing attacks can cause a threat to your data. 9. Kamau, who is a grade 8, got advice from his pre-technical facilitator. He told him to download and install a software represented by the symbol below. Which data protection measure was Kamau practicing? What was Kamau was practicing? Kamau was told to install. This one is an antivirus. This is an antivirus. So Kamau was practicing, was installing. You can say Kamau was installing antivirus. Kamau was installing antivirus software. Done. 10. Which 2 of the following are not input devices? Which 2 of the following are not input devices? We have monitor. This is an output device. That is an output device. And we have printer. This is an output device. So we have those 2. The others are input devices, keyboard and mouse. Question 11. Identify the fixed storage device shown below. You're supposed to identify. This one is an hard drive, HD hard drive. It's an hard drive. 12. State one advantage of soft copy output. Advantages of soft copy output: you can easily shareable, and you can easily editable. Unlike hard copies, soft copy you can edit and you can share from one person to the other at a distance without need to travel, but by use of the social networks or social media. 13. List 2 examples of microcomputers. Example of microcomputers. These are small computers. We can talk of desktop. Desktop is a microcomputer, and we have laptop. Can talk of tablet. Can talk of smartphones. Those are microcomputers. 14. Define the following terms in computer. Define the meaning or state the meaning of the following computer terms. 1, we have a computer. This one is an electronic device. Electronic device used to process data into information. Used to process data into information. Then we have data. Definition for data: these are raw facts. Raw facts or information. Raw facts or information, like symbols. We can talk of symbols, letters, which have not been processed. They are raw, not cooked to information. 15. Here with us, we have information. But we move data, raw fact. We cannot define it by using information. These are raw fact. Then information is processed data with the context and the meaning. Processed data with context and meaning. Good. Processed data is known as information. 15. These 2 examples of analog computers. Examples of analog computers: we have thermometers and analog speedometers. Analog speedometers and thermometers. Those are examples of analog computers. 16. Define the following terms. 1, we have business studies. Remember, this one is a component of pre-technical studies. We have business studies. This one is a subject that teaches students about principles and practices. Subject. This is a subject that teaches student about principles and practices. in running a business or in business. Communication is exchanging of information. Exchanging. This is exchanging of information, ideas or feelings. Feelings, ideas or feelings between individuals or groups. Between individuals or groups. Then we have consumer protection. These are rules, regulations, and practices. Rules, regulations, and practices designed to safeguard consumers against buyers, or the users of final product from exploitation. (17) List two essential elements of effective communication. Essential elements of effective communication. We have one is clarity. The communication must be clear. Clarity of the message. Your message must be very clear, and then you should get feedback. For communication to be effective, there must be feedback. If no feedback, no communication. 18. State a reason why an organization might prefer to use written communication over verbal communication. So, what are the importance of written communication as compared to verbal communication? 1. Written communication provides permanent record. Future reference. When it is written, we can use it for future use. Then the information cannot be misinterpreted. Information or the message cannot be misinterpreted. Unlike for verbal communication, you can misunderstand, you can prejudge, you can misjudge. 19. Quincy want to choose means of communication. Advise her on one factor to consider when choosing the means of communication. One is the audience. Who is your audience? Then you can choose, then you can think of the number of your audience means the number of people receiving your message. Then you can think of the cost of the channel. You can consider the cost, and you can consider your audience. 20. State two ways in which consumer and investors protect themselves against exploitation by business people and producers. This one is now ways in which consumers and investors protect themselves. How do they protect themselves? We have by ensuring ensuring that rules and laws are followed. The rules and laws made by the government are followed. Then they can do research. Doing research before buying something. Before you buy, you do research. So when they do that, they will be able to protect themselves. State 2 ICT devices or tools used in communication. ICT tools, we have mobile phones. We have emails. We have emails. 22. What do the following initials stand for in consumer and investor protection in Kenya? We have KEBS. This is Kenya. Allow me to have it here. Kenya Bureau of Standards. Kenya Bureau of Standards. Then we have CMA, Capital Market Authority. Capital Market Authority. Capital Market Authority. That marks the end. Remember to subscribe to this channel, and for more answers and questions or for more revision materials, you can contact this. Thank you.